Wow, 200 subscribers. I know that's not millions. I know there are channels out there hitting that in a day, but I want to be honest with you about what this number means to me. 200 real people decided that what we're building here was worth their attention, worth a click, worth coming back for. And that is not nothing to me. That's actually everything at this stage. So before I say anything else, I want to say a genuine thank you to you for being here. I want to take a second to talk about who is in that 200 because I think about this a lot. This channel was built for people who feel like AI is moving too fast and are being left behind. People who are curious but overwhelmed. People who want to understand what's actually happening, not because they want to be developers, but because they want to be informed, capable, and confident in a world that is changing very fast. And that's who we have here. And that's exactly who I built this channel for. So if that's you, I want you to know that just showing up matters. The fact that you are curious enough to watch, to ask questions, to keep learning even when it feels like a lot, puts you ahead of most people. Not because you know more, but because you are paying attention. Look at what this community has done in a short time. You've made it through a 13-module AI course that most people wouldn't even start. You've asked smart questions in comments, questions that have shaped what comes next on this channel. Some of you have already started using AI tools in your work, planning faster, writing faster, thinking differently. That is something real. That's not just watching videos. That's actually changing how you operate. And we are just getting started. So here's what I want you to know about what is coming next on this channel. We are not stopping at AI theory. No. So the next phase of this channel is about doing. Practical skills, real tools, things you can use the same day you learn them. And the first step in that direction is a live workshop I'm running this weekend. It's called Build Your Brand Website Online Using AI. And it's exactly what it sounds like. I'll walk you through how to take everything you know, everything you're building, and give it a proper home online. A real website, a real presence, something that works for you around the clock while you are focused on everything else that needs to happen in your business. No developer is needed, no agency is required, no putting it off indefinitely. Just a clear, practical session where we build together. If you've been meaning to sort out your website, or if you're just getting started with your business and you want to do it right from the beginning, then this workshop was made exactly for you. The link to register is in the description. Spots are limited because I want it to be interactive. I want to actually see you there. I want to answer your questions in real time and help you walk away with something real and tangible at the end of the session. So 200 is a number, but it represents a community of people who decided to take their understanding of AI seriously. And I don't take that for granted. So if this video or this channel has been useful to you, give it a like. It really helps more people find us on YouTube. So subscribe if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so you don't miss what is coming up next. And drop a comment below. I want to hear from you. You can tell me what brought you here in the first place, and you can let me know what you want to learn next on the channel. I read every single one of them, and I'll be sure to reply you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the workshop.